Today we're talking about decorating with flowers. And right now we're going to be talking about fresh flowers, and I'm going to give you some little tips on different things that you can do to make these arrangements that you see. Now this is my little teacup arrangement, and all it is a little saucer and a teacup made out of bone china. And what I've done is I've cut some floral foam to fit into the cup and put the flowers and the greens right in the cup in the green floral foam. And this could be a really cute little gift to give somebody. Maybe your grandmother, your mother, somebody that may like tea. I've taken some little baby rosebuds, some little mini carnations, a couple of our nice fire and ice roses, and some greens to fill it out. And this makes a really cute gift. Or you can use it in your own home. You coordinate with your furniture or your rooms, and you've got a unique little arrangement to set out.